Tropical storm Filippo is currently situated just off the coast of Mozambique, southeast of Beira, and will make landfall as a strong tropical storm this Monday evening, slamming the coastal areas with strong winds, heavy rain, and rough seas. We are expecting the system to bring torrential rainfalls to parts of Mozambique, with more than 500 millimeters of rain likely to accumulate the next few days up until Wednesday evening. Heavy rain also expected over the extreme eastern parts of the country, the Bushveld of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and especially the extreme northeastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, with the coastal areas that can see up to 100 millimeters of rain up until Wednesday evening. The Weather Service issued warnings for disruptive rainfall leading to localized flooding mainly on Wednesday, but for now, let's have a look at your Tuesday forecast. This Tuesday, Tropical Storm Filippo will continue to move across Mozambique, bringing torrential rainfalls to parts of the country. It will also bring scattered showers to the eastern parts of South Africa, including the Bushveld of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. We also have a weak cold front just sliding south of the country. Will bring cooler conditions and some light showers to the southern coast, with isolated showers and thunderstorms possible in the Eastern Cape, but the Weather Service warning against severe thunderstorms over the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape, so please be careful in those areas. Isolated thunderstorms also possible moving over our neighbouring country Namibia, parts of the Northern and Western Cape, and then that scattered showers and thunderstorms possible in the Bushveld due to Tropical Storm Filippo, with heavy rain expected in Mozambique. In these areas where we are expecting rainy conditions on Tuesday, we're also expecting a poor PV harvest, especially in parts of the Western Cape, later over the central part of the country, but a very poor PV harvest expected over the eastern part of the country. Northeasterly winds blowing strong along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal as well as the coast of the Eastern Cape, with the Weather Service warning against damaging winds and rough seas between Port Alfred and Port Edward, becoming windy over the central part of the country, where the Weather Service is warning against runway fires. In the Western Cape, it will still be hot over the interior parts, but much cooler than Monday, with temperatures now only around 30, light showers possible in parts of the Overberg and Garden Route, with temperatures here still in the mid-20s, 23 in the afternoon in George, 25 in Plettenberg Bay. It will be cloudy with light rain in those areas, still hot in the Karoo with 37 in the afternoon in Graaff-Reinet. An extremely hot day expected over parts of the Eastern Cape, with heatwave conditions continuing, northeasterly, southwesterly winds blowing strong along the coast with some light showers possible into the evening. In KwaZulu-Natal, we are expecting northeasterly winds to blow strong along the coast. It will be extremely hot in KwaZulu-Natal, with temperatures in the upper 30s, 37 in the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg, 35 in Ulundi, and only isolated thunderstorms possible in the vicinity of Kokstad and here around the bordering areas of Lesotho. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies expected over the Highveld, with hot conditions, temperatures around 30, but then that Tropical Storm Filippo bringing scattered showers to the Lowveld, where it will be much cooler this Tuesday with 28 in the afternoon in Skukuza. Scattered showers and thunderstorms also possible in the Lowveld of Limpopo due to that tropical storm, with temperatures in the upper 20s, but still extremely hot in the Bushveld, with the last day of heatwave conditions 37 in the afternoon in Thabazimbi. In northwest, heatwave conditions continuing up until at least Tuesday, with 36 in the afternoon in Vryburg, 37 in Tahung, and isolated thunderstorms possible from the afternoon over the central and southern parts. In the Northern Cape, it's the last day of heatwave conditions with 42 in the afternoon in Upington, cloudy conditions moving over the province, and isolated thunderstorms from the afternoon developing in the vicinity of Postmasburg and Kimberley. Another day of heatwave conditions for the Free State, with a scorching 37 in the afternoon in Bloemfontein. Unfortunately, no rain expected over the Free State, with partly cloudy skies. In Gauteng, heatwave conditions persisting with 31 in the afternoon in Johannesburg, 33 in Pretoria, and no rain in the forecast for Gauteng. Then on Wednesday, we're expecting that tropical storm to bring scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms to the eastern part of the country, with the Weather Service warning against disruptive rainfall leading to localized flooding, especially over the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Then on Thursday, that tropical storm moving away from the country, becoming stormy now over the extreme eastern part of the country, where it will be much cooler with only 25 in the afternoon in Mbombela, but a sunny and comfortable afternoon over the western part of the country with 25 in the afternoon in Sutherland. Well, that's all from me. Please stay safe and look out for any weather warnings issued by the South African Weather Service.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go, and compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.